Look at this, tinutungkab na nila yung sahig dito sa parking lot. They're already dismantling the bricks here in the parking lot. I guess this is the first stage of demolishing this area. Today is January 8, 2025, and as of last week, January 1, sarado na tong The Fort. And look, wala nang mga tao. Wala nang mga nakapark. The legendary and infamous parking lot in front of it is now empty. The people are going away, yung mga empleyado nag-e-empake na, sinisimulan na nilang gibain yung mga sahig, yung mga pader, nagtatanggal na ng mga equipment inside. Look, it's a ghost town. Usually pag mga ganitong oras, dito sa lugar na to, lunchtime, this is the peak hours ng paglabas ng mga empleyado sa mga opisina around this area. Tapos maraming nagpupuntahan dito sa building na yan, dito sa 4th Street, para mag-lunch. Usually, ganun kadami ang tao. But today, wala na. It's a ghost town. Sarado na yung parking lot, sarado na yung mga establishments. And in fact, it's being cordoned off na. Meron ng lubid na nakatali dun sa perimeter ng area. And I don't know kung pwede pang pumasok dito. Ang mga kotse na lang na natitira dito ay yung mga trucks ng mga establishments and restaurants na naghahakot ng mga gamit nila. In front of me is the 4th Street. Yan, the 4th Street. Ito yung pinuntahan natin nung isang episode. Dito yung maraming inuman sa labas. Ngayon, sarado na sila. Binabaklas na yung mga table, yung mga pader, yung mga decorations nila. Tinatanggal na. Wala na, tapos na. After more than 20 years of operations, sarado na ang The Fort. But the question is, anong gagawin nila dito? Ano ang ipapalit sa The Fort BGC? Maraming mga speculations, mga haka-haka, mga chismis, at mga hearsay kung ano yung ipapalit dito sa The Fort at BGC. In my last video where I showed you the final few weeks of the establishments and mga restaurants and bars na nagbubukas pa or nag-ooperate pa dito sa The Fort, in that last video, maraming mga nag-comments. Let's read some of the comments from that video. Sabi ni Franz 2843, for everyone's info, that area will take part of the Metro subway and that's the reason why the 4th Street will be closed. So gagawin daw itong estasyon ng subway dito sa The Fort sa BGC. That's an interesting theory. I wonder kung gaano katotoo yun. And kung totoo man yun, I wonder kung gaano katagal bago matapos yung subway station na yan. Next, sabi ni Alcal 928, it's an Ayala property po and they will erect another high-end mall plus residential condo at the top of the mall. This will add to this now a tourist spot in BGC. Now, this is a very popular chismis. Marami nga nagsasabi na bagong condo raw or bagong mall ang itatayo dito sa area na to kung nasa ng The Fort. So, sabi niya, it's an Ayala property and Ayala daw ang magtatayo dito. Sabi naman ni Alex Sabado 8254, yun din ang nasagap naming balita. Tatayuan ng 5 high-rise building office/residential/condo na may mall at hotel. Actually, this spot, napapaligiran na ito ng mga matataas na mga building, condos and establishments. So, another one of those, madadagdagan na naman. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's a good concept. Nobody knows. Next, sabi ni Roche de Jesus 2112. Sayang, wala talagang permanent na bagay sa mundo. Totoo naman yun, walang permanenteng bagay sa mundo. Parang jowa mo. Sabi naman ni Johnny Palak N6B, nabili na ni Diwata, tatayuan ng pares. Wow, ganun na ba kayaman si Diwata ngayon? Nabili niya tong The 4th Strip sa BGC. Tatayuan ng pares. The entire compound is a pares hub. That's a good concept, but it's impossible. And finally, sabi ni Pukemo Maalat-alat, boring mo mag-vlog. Well, ako boring ako mag-vlog. Yes, I admit, boring ako mag-vlog. But if you're into the TikTok kind of fast cut vlogs, this is a little something for you. So there you go, pukay mo maalat-alat para sa iyo yung fast cut edit na yon. Para hindi ka mabore sa video na to. Siguro naman pwede mo lang i-like. Like this video. Thank you for subscribing. And by the way guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel. My name is NJ Mijares and what I do is I review craft beers and mga alcoholic drinks na gawa ng mga Pinoy. In my channel, I have more than 300 videos where I talk about mga beers, mga alcoholic drinks, mga cocktails, and I go to bars and restaurants to check out their alcoholic drinks and beverages. If you're into that, please subscribe and please like this video. Thank you for doing that. So anyway, back to the video. Please keep in mind na yung mga nabasa natin sa comments, those are unverified plans. Hindi pa talaga sigurado kung anong mangyayari dito sa the fort. Hindi ina-announce ng mga may-ari the official reason for demolishing it and the official announcement kung ano ipapalit nila dito. But my plan for today, I wanted to talk to the people here, to the employees here. Tingnan ko kung meron ako dito makakausap ng mga tao, kung meron silang alam kung ano ba talagang ipapalit dito sa lugar na to. Let's try to talk to them. Okay, so this is the area inside the 4th Street. Boss, pwede magtanong, vlog lang. Natanong ko kanina yung mga kung ano ipapalit dito sa 4th Street. Alam niyo ba? Alam. Kahit mga ano lang, mga speculations, ano yung mga naririnig niyo? Kasi ako naririnig ko mga high-rise. Oh, high-rise na condo. May nagsabi pa nga na ano, subway. Totoo ba yun?
Sa kabila. Oo, ano yun sa kabila. Pwede yan, diretso dito.
Parang yung mga nakapaligid dito, ganyan katataas. Oh. Salamat. So far, hindi rin alam ng mga empleyado dito kung anong gagawin dito sa area na to. What they hear on the internet is also, yun lang ang alam nila. Yan. This is the Japanese restaurant na lagi kong iniinuman. And this is Heaven's Barbecue. Yeah, dinidismantle na nila yung mga interior designs and facilities. This is the Korean grocery. Sarado na rin. And this Korean restaurant, Self-Ramyong Bar, ito kakabukas lang nito mga about 2 or 3 months ago. And this is where I used to drink craft beers here in BGC. But now, it's also closed. Unfortunately, hindi rin nagtagal kasi I guess nung nagkaroon sila ng kontrata dito sa area na to, hindi sinabi nung admin na magsasara na or plano nang isara itong buong area. So they still went through with the renovation at yung paglo-launch at pag-open nitong Ramyong Bar na to. Pero yun na nga, sadly, wala na, sarado na agad siya. So ito pa yung mga restaurant na nandito sa area. May mga seafood place, there's Rocks, there's Romantic Baboy, that's Romantic Baboy. May mga Korean and Chinese restaurants pa dyan. But now, everything is gone. Kita nyo yung mga empleyado. Yan o. Nag-ano na sila, naghahakot na sila ng mga gamit. Before this place gets demolished totally.
Galak na sa rin. No, again, that's why kukoy sila. Cannot come.
Hello.
All close na. Bro.
Hello. Can I ask you a few questions for my vlog?
Ay, busy.
I'm just gonna ask do you know what's gonna happen to this whole area? Did they tell you anything?
Well, they will develop, so we don't know what's their exact plan for here.
Yeah, they didn't even tell the tenants around here, like you guys, what they're gonna do in this area.
No, they didn't. They don't need to tell us. So we don't know exactly what they are talking.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
alright. Thank
So-
you, thank you.
we cannot answer anything about that.
Alright. No problem.
They said they're gonna
Renovate.
yeah.
That's what I also hear.
Not renovate.
Tear down the whole area, tear down the buildings.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Yeah, and replace it with new establishments, new buildings probably.
Maybe, but I don't know. What's their plan?
Yeah. That's alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
So there you have it. I'm sorry, wala akong nakuhang bagong information kahit dito sa mga may-ari na mismo ng establishments here. Kasi hindi rin nila alam kung anong mangyayari, hindi rin nila alam kung anong gagawin dito sa area na to. The building administration or the BGC admin did not tell them specifically kung anong gagawin dito. So, they can't tell me anything. So for now, yan na lang muna, abangan natin in the next few months probably kung ano ang mangyayari sa development ng area na to dito sa The Fort at BGC. But if you wanna watch my other video where I documented the final 2 weeks, the final week nitong The Fort at BGC na operational pa at bukas pa yung mga restaurant. That was the last week yata of December 2024. If you wanna watch that video, click right here.